On page 2 of Module 1, Lesson 1's homework, the students are continuing to use the skill making number bonds to 10. There are 3 illustrations in problem 4. Those illustrations are called number bonds. The large circle is the number that is the whole number. The 2 smaller circles are the numbers that make up the whole. They are the 2 parts of the whole. So in the first illustration, the whole number, the total amount that we want to make is 10. They've already given you 8. So how many more do you need if you have 8 in order to make 10? If your student does not know, he could draw a 10 frame, fill in 8 of the squares, and see how many more are left over in order to get to 10. In so doing, there should be 2 blank boxes remaining because 8 and 2 makes 10. On the second illustration, there is the blank in the large circle. We don't know what the whole number is. The 2 parts of the number are 5 and 5. 5 and 5 make the whole number. Whatever the whole number is recorded right in the large circle. In the third number bond, the whole number is 10. This time they gave you the part 6. 6 plus how many more do you need in order to get to 10? That number will be recorded in the small circle. 6 plus blank equals 10. For problem 5, the student has a couple of choices in order to try to attempt to solve this problem. The problem says your little brother has $4. He wants to spend the money on an action figure that costs $10. How much money does he still need to buy the action figure? I like to ask the students to underline the important information. So the little brother has $4 and he wants to spend the money on an action figure that costs $10. How much money does he still need to buy the action figure? So I like to circle the question, how much money does he still need? Those are the important words to buy the action figure. Knowing that the action figure costs $10, that's the whole. So I'll put a 10 in the large circle. But little brother has only $4. He only has part of the 10. So the question remains, how much more does he need in order to have the entire amount of $10? The students can use a number bond like I've done in order to solve that problem. Or if they're more comfortable using a 10 frame, that is something they can do as well. So this time we know that the student needs $10. So I inserted a tens frame. Brother only has $4. So I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4 squares that are shaded to represent the $4 that the little brother has. So whatever's left over unshaded is the amount that he still needs to buy the action figure. Because this is a word problem, I always like to ask the students to answer in words. How much does he still need to buy the action figure? Little brother still needs blank dollars to buy the figure. If I had room, I would have written action figure. For number 6 and number 7, your student can use similar strategies to solve the problems.